What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Slammed Outdoors. Today's episode, I'm fishing a local pond near my house. It is the weekend before Halloween, and right now I'm just trying to find another fish or two. This is a pond that's usually good. That was quick. Second cast, still giving an intro. All right, how do I want to do this? Yeah, I'm just gonna walk him. Yeah, he choked it. Had to get him back and back to it. That was quick. Wasn't even really planning to fish this thing today, and might as well try it, and paid off big time. I should have grabbed some more of those trailers. For whatever reason, just working that little cross line, almost all the fish I've caught out of here have come just fishing straight that way. I'm guessing that there's a couple nice rock piles on that shore, and if I can just work down the side of it, should be pretty good fishing. Obviously, we just got the one, so that was sweet. That's the first bass I caught on a jackhammer this year, so that's pretty awesome. This is a bladed jig, so it's just a jig with a blade on it, as the name would suggest. And this thing is vibrating like crazy. You can really see it or not, but my rod tip is bouncing all over the place. And this vibration, in theory, attracts the bass. Theory's holding true today. Almost all the bass I've caught on this thing have come on a black and blue jackhammer. I went with a chartreuse today just because, for whatever reason, in here they seem to hit the lighter colors. I think just because they can see it a little easier. Last year, this bait was the ticket just everywhere. So this is the white and chartreuse jackhammer by zman, and the trailer I'm throwing this on is a Strike King Rage Bug. It's the same thing as a Bandito bug, essentially. I'm throwing this in a white. A lot of guys will throw a swim bait with this, but this has a little better action, and the swim baits usually foul themselves up on the chatterbaits, so. Might be a little early for this thing yet. Just I'd want to inhale the chatterbait. I don't know that I really need to throw this thing yet, but that's okay. Oh, time for the Alabama rig. This thing is just a leaf catching machine. I'm throwing this thing largely with the goal of catching a bass over 5 pounds. I don't have a scale, so not the greatest logic, but I don't really know what this bass still has in here. I don't know what this pond still has in here in terms of big fish, but a couple of years ago it had a couple 4s, 5s, 6s, and probably a 7 or 2 in here. Saw a bass hit a duck on the surface here once. That was interesting. I've seen pike do it in places. I've never seen. It was a baby duck. I mean, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but. So I just fished all the way around the rest of the pond. Didn't catch anything. I did see something that was kind of interesting though. There was a bass that was looked like it had some kind of fungus or something wrong with it, because it was swimming really high in the water column. It had marks all over it, and it just didn't look that healthy. So that was kind of concerning. I don't know what that's all about, but that was really the only thing of note from fishing the other side of the pond. Back over here, these are just going to be my last couple casts here, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, really helps the channel. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video that we do. If you guys have any video suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments section. And until then, I'll see you guys.